Okay, hey guys. Well, I wanted to show you something today. You know how, well, if you're like me, you like to bike downtown or go somewhere like to a pond, and it's somewhere easy you can fish. Well, finally figured out a way to do that. Messing around, kinking with the bike yesterday, found a zip tie, a metal zip tie here, screwable. It was perfect. Tied it onto this upper one right here, other side of the chain, and then yeah. So I'll grab my pole and we'll see what it looks like. Hold on. It won't. Here it is. So from right here, it'll go up, and well, it didn't look like this yesterday. Hold on. Gotta get it like it was yesterday. Yesterday was cool. Okay, so like that. And you want to make sure that when you do this, it's pretty close to your bike.